Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan with FitHappyFree.com, and welcome to my first HomeWOD video. So a couple days ago I released a video talking about the HomeWOD series and what my goals are with it and what it's all about. So feel free to watch that video if you'd like to know a little bit more about that. But the short and condensed version is the HomeWOD is the home workout of the day. They are a series of high intensity workouts that you can do at home with little to no equipment. I'm excited to get these workouts to you. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. Bear with me the first few weeks. I did have surgery on my wrist a couple months ago. You might know that if you follow me, and I still have a little bit of problems bending and putting pressure on or lifting any weight with it. So for the first few weeks, the workouts will be workouts that don't involve too much pressure on the wrist, but they still will be good, high effective workouts that will get your heart rate going and get your cardio up. So these workouts are designed to be challenging, so make sure you are pushing yourself. You want to be, you will be breathing kind of hard. Make sure that you are listening to your body as well, though. Don't push anything that doesn't feel natural. If it doesn't feel right, then just stop and do something else, or maybe go on to the next exercise. I don't want you to risk any kind of injury. Don't want you to pull or sprain or break anything. So you want to push yourself, but also make sure you're listening to your body. So today's workout is going to be 5 rounds of 5 tuck jumps, 10 lunges, and 20 sit-ups. So we'll be doing this for 5 rounds. This workout shouldn't take too long, I don't think. Make sure you go at your own pace. You don't have to keep up with anybody but yourself, but you do kind of want to challenge yourself, kind of go a little bit fast, but make sure you're being safe and you're staying hydrated as well. Also, make sure that you're warming up or stretching a little bit beforehand. You don't want to go into these workouts cold. You can risk injury that way. So maybe just stretch a little bit, or do some air squats, or jog in place, run around the block. Just make sure you get those muscles nice and warm before jumping into this workout. So I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's work out. good. That felt good. I haven't done a real high intensity workout in a while. I usually do CrossFit, but since my wrist has been injured, I haven't been able to do that lately. So it feels good to, breathe hard again and get that good high intensity workout in again. That was nice. I don't know how long that took me. I'll probably run the timer later to see how long it took me, but I don't think that took very long. But it was a good one. I feel good. Make sure that you're staying hydrated. Even in the winter time, you can risk dehydration. Luckily, in Texas, it's starting to warm up a little bit. It's been cold for a while, so it feels good to have warmer weather again. This Florida girl is happy. I don't do well with the cold very much, but it's a very nice day outside, and obviously I didn't have to go anywhere. I just did this in my backyard. You could probably go down to a park and do this at the park if you'd like to, or in your bedroom even if you have enough space. Or if you're not in an apartment and you don't have any neighbors below you, the tuck jumps might be kind of loud. But other than that, it's a good workout. Definitely got my heart rate up, and I feel like I got a good workout in. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you do this with me, let me know, and let me know your time in the comments. And you can always come back to this workout, do it again, and see if you can get a faster time next time. But it was good. I feel great, and I'm happy to get this out to you guys. And thank you guys for watching and supporting me and following me. You can find me at fithappyfree.com on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I hope to see you guys in a week. Bye.